Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi A3 Saloon S-line 35 TFSI with a 6-speed manual gearbox. This particular model comes in the stunning Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle, especially with the S-line styling package. This consists of multiple elements of matte grey and chrome silver, including the angular side skirts, front and rear bumper elements, window surrounds and badging. Also from this vehicle you get a 1.5 litre petrol engine offering 147 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with daytime running lights offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 18-inch 5-arm dynamic design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that grey pearlescent paintwork and tying in really nicely with the S-line styling package. The boot lid can be popped open using the key fob oil button underneath the Audi rings on the boot lid itself to reveal maximum space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop, and the rear seats can be folded down to offer you maximum storage space. The interior is finished in twin black leather with contrasting grey stitching for maximum luxury and sportiness, with more grey elements on the doors. The centre armrest has dual cup holders, and the rear air vents mean that the rear passengers get a taste of that precious air conditioning. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the S-line leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and they are manually adjustable, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your taste using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right is your volume and voice controls for mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left is your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle with multiple options on offer there for you. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own. Thank you for watching this video on the approved used Audi A3 Saloon that is available at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to get in contact with our sales team or simply come on down to the showroom and take a look at it for yourself.